Welcome to our video on understanding the key differences between crabgrass and Dallisgrass. As a homeowner, it can be frustrating to deal with unwanted grasses in your lawn. But by understanding the differences between crabgrass and Dallisgrass, you can take the necessary steps to control them. Crabgrass and Dallisgrass are two types of grasses that can quickly become invasive and unsightly in your lawn. Both types of grasses are annual weeds that can take over your lawn, but there are key differences between them. Crabgrass is a summer annual weed that germinates in the spring and grows rapidly in the summer months. It has a light green color and grows in a clumpy, sprawling pattern. The leaves are wider than most other grasses and have a rough texture. One key feature of crabgrass is its seed heads, which resemble fingers or spokes on a wheel. Crabgrass can quickly take over a lawn if left unchecked, but it can be controlled with proper lawn care practices. Dallisgrass, on the other hand, is a perennial grass that can grow up to 3 feet tall. It has a coarse texture and grows in a bunch-like pattern. The leaves are long and narrow, and the seed heads are a distinctive V shape. Dallisgrass is often found in warmer climates and can be difficult to control due to its deep roots and ability to resprout from its root system. In addition to lawn care practices, Dallisgrass may require targeted herbicide applications to effectively control. So how do you control crabgrass and Dallisgrass in your lawn? The key is to maintain a healthy lawn with proper mowing, watering, and fertilization. Crabgrass can be prevented by applying a pre-emergent herbicide in the spring before it germinates. Dallisgrass may require a post-emergent herbicide applied directly to the plant to effectively control it. Thanks for watching our video on understanding the key differences between crabgrass and Dallisgrass.